Out here again on the 51 Farmall Super A. Going to start putting the cylinder head on. Before we put the head gasket on there, we're going to have to clean the surface off here to make sure there ain't no oil on there. You're going to want to use lacquer thinner or brake clean or something to wipe the surface off really good before you put the head gasket on. I'm just had an asbestos gasket on there before, but they don't make asbestos anymore, so newer style head gasket, or the one I got's a graphite. They probably make multi-layered stainless steel gasket, but I got the graphite one that came in the kit. So I'm not going to spray it. I'm just going to take some lacquer thinner on a rag, soak it pretty good. This gasket came with the kit because this is the bigger bore kit there. Make sure that your fire rings are on top of all sitting on top of the sleeves there. These little fire rings are the steel inserts right there. They clamp down around each sleeve. Now it'll come with, this is big bore kit, which I'd recommend if you're getting the sleeves for it. You might as well do the 3 1/8 bore instead of the 3-inch. And make sure all your head bolts are clean. We're going to lube these up before we tighten anything down on them. Cylinder head. Ain't got no help out here today. That thing's heavy. I hope I can get it on there by myself. Same thing, just lacquer thinner on a rag, wipe it off. Make sure. I'll tell you what, I had a hell of a time getting that damn oil pan bolts on in the front ones anyway. The axle support sits right under the front of the oil pan. The 2 long bolts that go in there. That actually screw up into the block for the bridge that holds the seal. They're a bit of a pain in the butt to get. Wasn't too bad sitting it on there. Just came in from the side over here, kind of lined it up, dropped it on my hands a couple of times. Had a problem with one of the studs here. The nut's stuck on there, and I don't want to put it back in there like that. We want to take the stud off, install the stud, and then put. It's looking pretty nasty in there, huh?